Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to connect a custom subdomain to Trimlink. Using your own branded subdomain creates professional short links while keeping your main website completely safe. To begin, navigate to Custom Domains from the left sidebar and click My Domains. Click Add New Domain to the top right of the page. Now open the Setup Wizard. Choose Yes if you're using a fresh subdomain, and select Yes, how would you like to proceed with domain setup? Then enter your preferred address, like links.yourdomain.com. Click Next to continue the subdomain setup option. Trimlink will generate a CNAME record for your subdomain. Open your domain provider, create a new CNAME record, and point it to cname.trimlink.ai. If you're using Cloudflare, make sure the proxy is temporarily set to DNS only before verifying the domain. Once you've added the CNAME record, click Add Domain. After saving your DNS changes, return to Trimlink and wait for the verification process. DNS updates usually complete within a few minutes, although they can sometimes take longer. Once the status changes to Verified, your branded subdomain is ready to use for all your short links. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Trimlink and explore additional tutorials, visit trimlink.ai.